Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures Programming. And today we are going to make a C program to find the sum of lower triangular elements in array using function. Okay, so let's start a question. Hashtag include studio.h and int main. Here I will take the size of array. So it is we have to find the sum of lower triangular matrix elements. So the rows and columns will be equal, means it will be a square matrix. So I will take only one variable n. Okay, this is the size of that array, means that matrix rows and column will be same because it's a square matrix. Okay, and now I will take the input of this n, printf, enter n here. Okay, in next line I will take the input scanf modulus d comma ampersand n, and here I declare that matrix a double r n and n, because it's a matrix and rows and columns are equal, that's why n and n here. Okay, and now I will take the input of matrix, enter matrix here. Okay, so for int I barabar 0, I less than n and I plus plus, one more loop for, because it's a 2D array, int j equal to 0 and j less than n and j plus plus. Here I will take the input scanf modulus d comma ampersand array I and j. Okay, and first I will print the matrix, after that I will apply operations of on matrix. Okay, first I will copy this both loops and print the matrix. Instead of scanf I will write here printf modulus d comma array I and j. Okay, so let's run the code. Let's take the matrix 3 by 3. Okay, because it's a square matrix, and matrix 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3. Okay, so it's a square matrix 3 into 3, then how many elements? 3 into 3, 9 elements. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, there are 9 elements, so enter. I have to write printf slash n here for going the next line and space here. Let's run the code again. 3 and 7 8 6 5 4 3 9 8. So 3 3 and 3. Okay, enter. So it's your square matrix. Okay, and I have to find the sum of all lower triangular elements. So how many lower triangular elements? 5 9 and 8, which is are at lower index, means this is a diagonal, and the elements which is are lower of diagonal, those are called lower triangular elements, and upper means 7 6 and 3, this is upper triangular elements. Okay, but upper triangular matrix क्या होती है? upper triangular matrix जो नीचे नीचे वाली है ना, और lower triangular matrix which is top of the diagonal. Okay, so I will use this both the loops again, and I will write operation to find the sum. So I will copy this and paste. Instead of printf I will write if for lower triangular matrix I is always greater than j. See, this is at what index? 1 1. I for 8 I is 1 and j is 1. Okay, for 7 I is 1, j is 2, means I is less than 2, means I is less than j. And for 6 I 1 and j 3. Here also I is less than j. For upper triangular elements I is less than j, and for lower triangular elements I is greater than j. You can see here for 5, 5 is what index? I barabar 2 and j barabar 1, means I is greater than j. Okay, for 9 I is 3 and j is 1, means I is greater than j. For 8 I is 3 and j is 2, I is greater than j. Okay, so I will write here if I is greater than j, then I will write sum equal to sum plus array at that index. Okay, and I will initialize sum by 0, sum equal to 0. Mm, okay, and I will write here printf sum of all lower triangular elements is modulus d comma sum, and I will write here return 0. So let's run the code. Let take us 4 into 4 square matrix. Okay, means 4 into 4 16 elements. So 4 5 1 2 3 4 6 8 9 0 1 5 and 6 11 elements. 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 6 and 6 and 4. Okay, 16 elements. So let's enter. This is your matrix, and diagonal elements, which is the diagonal, this, and which is the lower triangular elements, 4 and 1 3 9 and 3. Okay, so 9 and 3 12, 12 and 3 15, 15 and 4 19, 19 and 1 20. Okay, so sum of all lower triangular elements is 20. Okay, I hope you understand the question. See you in the next video.